Meanwhile, there's a call this evening for the social imbalances across Jamaica to be addressed. It comes from a member of the legal profession on the heels of the controversial demolition of illegal homes in Clifton St. Catherine last Thursday. Sandy Williams tells us more.
Squatting is an age-old problem affecting the entire country. Several stakeholders believe that inequality and a lack of affordable housing are the root causes for the practice. Last Thursday, the government began demolishing houses built illegally on lands they say were captured by criminals and resold to citizens. For attorney at law Nicole Gordon, if the social imbalances are not addressed, the problem of squatting will persist.
Because obviously these people were desperate. Because if the Prime Minister is talking about purchasing from quote-unquote gangsters, scammers, whoever it is, then you're talking about people who are in an absolutely desperate situation. So the problem that we have in our Earl is that unless we deal with those fundamental issues, this will always arise. The problem of informal settlements, the problem of squatting will always arise.
About 30 houses were tagged for demolition. The structures have been built on lands earmarked for agriculture as part of the Bernard Lodge Master Development Plan. Social development specialist Dr. Peter Ann Baker says the situation is a reflection of the limited options many Jamaicans have in their quest for home and land ownership. Dr. Baker believes the issue leaves citizens at the mercy of the political parties.
Because the things that have contributed to the inadequate responses and or the outright failure of previous attempts is one, the fact that partisan politics, political parties have viewed these settlements, have exploited these people and their precarious conditions as a means of obtaining or holding on to power.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.